The value of 3 power 51 mod 5 is dash. So this is again a very simple question. Here what I will do is I will be taking simple 3 power 0 mod 5, 3 power 1 mod 5, etc. and then I will find out when that pattern repeats, and after that we can just take the value of 3 power 51 based on that pattern. So 3 power 0 mod 5 is 1, 3 power 1 mod 5 is 3, 3 power 2 mod 5 will be 4, 3 power 3 mod 5 will be 2. All these you can get easily from a calculator, and 3 power 4 mod 5 will be equal to 1. So if you see, once I reach 4, the pattern starts repeating. After that 3 power 5 mod 1 will be again 3 only, because we already got 1 here, which is same as 3 power 0 mod 5. After that, if I again multiply with 3, I will be getting this number again only, that is this 3 here. So this pattern keeps on repeating. So this pattern repeats in multiples of 4. So for any number, if that, for example, if I take any 2 and if I increase the value of 2 by multiples of 4, the next number will be 6. After that, if I add 4, the number will be 10, etc. Then 3 power n mod 5 such that n is 2, 6, 10, 14, etc. All these will be having the same value, because these increase by values of 4, and after 4 this cycle repeats. So in order to find out 3 power 51 mod 5, what I will do is, for 51 I will take 51 mod 4, that will be 3. So the value of 3 power 3 mod 5, 3 power 3 plus 4 is 3 power 7 mod 5, 3 power 7 plus 4 is 3 power 11 mod 5, etc. If I keep on adding by 4, I will get 3 power 51 as well, because it increases by 4. Now all of these 51, all of these will be having the same value of 3 power n mod 5, because it repeats after cycles of 4. So 3 power 3 mod 5 was 2. So we can say 3 power 51 mod 5 will also be 2 only. So the answer is 2. That's because 3 power 51 mod 4 and 3 mod 4 is the same. Answer is 2.